Hi, my name is Kiana, and I'm going to show you how to make your hair soft and silky and shiny. So all you need is a comb or a brush and some gloss drops by Trima for women. I'm not sure where I got this from. I kind of took it from my mom because she didn't use it. So what you're going to do is you're going to take, it says 2 to 3 drops, but I used like 4 or 5. So 1, 2, but I'm not really going to do my whole head, so I only put 2, and you rub it in the palms of your hands and just go through your hair all the way through it. It makes your hair not look so dry and damaged, and it smooths and shines your hair. So this stuff is like really good. I use it a lot. As you can like totally tell. It used to be like up to here when I first got it, now it's like down to here. So that's all you have to do. And then you take your brush or your comb, either one. For my bangs, I'm going to use the brush at the top, and then for the rest of my hair, I'm going to use the comby thing. So I go in and like go through. Let me fix that hair. Oops. And then I take my comb brush thing and ouch, just brush through my hair. So that's it. It gets your hair to look soft and shiny. See, look how shiny that looks. Look at all that shininess. Not sure if you can see that, but it's shiny. So, yep, that's pretty much it. So, bye guys. Hope you liked it. Don't forget to rate, subscribe, and comment. Bye.